Oh, energy! Look how she's smiling.
She's making me so proud. I was trying to be a beauty queen. What are you doing? Call me Miss Philippines.
No, let's do it.
Call me.
Miss Philippines. She's oily. I'm reading you. You're so oily today.
I'm not. That's moisturizer.
No, you're.
That's moisturizer.
Like, what do you use?
Why are your lips so pink? Are you wearing lipstick?
It's my natural.
You're so pink. Hey guys, it's Yani.
I'm Fabio. And we're back with another video.
No, he's so tired. You guys. I didn't watch this the whole day. I had to control myself. I was like in my computer all day, but I'm like, I can't watch it because I need to film it. So today's video, we're watching CATRIONA Gray's. Do you see I'm so excited to be Miss Universe?
I see. I want to give you some Xanax to chill.
I'm only excited like this because we all know that CATRIONA Gray has a very high chance of snatching the crown.
I know.
So we're watching her preliminary of her introduction, and then I believe introduction, swimsuit, and evening gown.
You need to stop sending me DMs.
I know, all these pictures. But somebody sent me a sketch of the possible evening gowns that she was gonna wear.
I didn't look at it.
By the way, can we talk about Miss USA, Colombia, and Australia? They made some racist comments or something.
I don't know what happened.
After watching CATRIONA Grace, we're also gonna watch top 10 introduction, evening gown. So evening gown and swimsuit introduction.
Really,
whatever.
all in the same?
All in the same video. They're all so short. It's because it's just top 10. So my top 10, remember, Mexico, Puerto Rico, Philippines,
South Africa.
South Africa. Oh my god, South Africa. Anyway, that's all that matters. I think those are all the top 5.
Mine is Miss Italy. Where is she? Is she still in Bali? Jeez,
wait,
did you find yourself?
Let me just say. No, she was sick. Remember her?
Oh, she was sick.
She was sick for the.
No, she went to Bali to find herself.
Yeah, but she was also sick for the national costume night.
It's true.
But let me just say that Miss USA, Colombia, and Australia saying all this racist comment, I guess it's good because they're just giving CATRIONA Gray the more room to win. Without further ado, let's go watch CATRIONA Gray.
Please.
I'm excited.
Oh, energy! Look how she's smiling.
She's making me so proud. No, I'm not overreacting. This is me. I'm so excited for her. Can we replay that again? I want to replay it again.
Okay, go for it. But
damn, that was a high note. Like Morissette and Regine Velasquez were scared.
She warmed up. She followed like a vocal warm up for sure.
Morissette Amon is scared. She can belt.
She's gonna whistle her full name.
She's like CATRIONA Gray, Philippines.
Let's go. Wow! Oh, she went even higher up. Oh, that color.
Wait. We have to go back. Go back to wait. Pause.
Yani, they're gonna go crazy. So chill, relax. Do you want chamomile tea? I'll make you some.
Wait. I need to breathe. Wait. Because I just saw the walk. When she turned and when she faced the camera again, why was her hip forward and her hip was backwards again and hip was like walking this way again? Why?
It's because she follows my yoga videos.
Oh, okay. Never mind. Yeah. Okay. We have to watch the whole thing again.
Yani, last time.
This is the last time.
Please. Those arms are so toned.
Look at that hips. And forward. Yeah, see? Did you see that?
She did.
Hip forward.
Wow.
Boom.
Now 24.
Damn.
This fashion model and
She's 24. She's only 24. That body. That fuchsia complements her skin so nicely. Look at that smile. Wow.
I love how that her legs are not skinny. I love that her legs are
tone, muscle.
They're toned and it's giving her shape.
Yeah. Because remember when we did the Instagram raid that she kicked that guy?
She is martial artist.
Oh my god.
But do you see that walk?
Yeah, she's like...
Like she's all sweet and everything in camera, but when you put her on a runway, when she walks, fails.
Yep.
She's fierce, second, third. Anyway.
That was not funny.
Can we watch the runway walk of the evening gown again? Just one last time. Start here. Okay.
Philippines!
Whoa.
Philippines.
Shut up.
It's a former martial artist.
Look at the abs.
Black belt
Wow.
at
Face, look at the face.
Now 24.
Hair.
This fashion model
She did
is
not
second
need
place
a fan because the hair was
Look at that.
flowing by itself.
Look at that smile. She's like,
She's having fun.
Philippines.
Oh, I'm so proud of her.
Philippines.
oh.
Wait, what is that?
Oh my god, it looks
Look
like a
at the evening
peacock.
gown.
It's like a peacock, but in orange and...
It's golden, orange, yellow.
Wow.
Yes, girl.
Oh my god, it looks like... It's so beautiful. That dress is so beautiful.
Okay, so here's what I noticed. So during the...
Because I'm thinking that the dress, it looks like it's a lot of ears sewn together. With
No, it was just
orange.
like fabric manipulated this shape and it was like attached to each other together. Do you see it?
No. I don't
so
understand.
stupid. This fabric
Yeah,
on top of this fabric,
yeah,
and then there's another layer of fabric
yeah.
overlapping,
Wow.
and it forms that fabric.
Wow.
Why are you so stupid? Jeez.
Because if you speak English properly, then I will understand.
See, this is what I noticed. So during swimsuit competition,
Yeah.
the walk is having fun.
Yeah.
And just like, you know, hips movement. And during evening gown, it's more of like a snake movement.
Yeah, she's like so fluid.
Fluid!
No.
We have to watch that again. We have to watch that again. Just the evening gown.
All right. Slow mo. Slow mo. Wow.
And she goes to Fierce face.
That orange is so good.
And then she goes smiling.
Ooh.
I love that gown.
Oh.
And look at the pose!
She's like serious and then smile. Damn. Okay. She knows. She practiced.
If she does not win this year, I will write a letter to Miss Universe Corporation. Committee. Corporation.
Who do you think they are?
It's probably a corporation. Anyway, let's go ahead, watch the top 10 swimsuit competition preliminary round.
Okay.
Okay, real quick. Ready?
Costa Rica.
Costa Rica has been working
Beautiful. She has a very similar color.
She's part of my top 10 too.
This 28-year-old has appeared on everything from a children's show to Dancing with the Stars.
So
and
skinny.
currently to host a program
Wow, those
called
legs are
Destiny
moisturized.
TV.
But look at the
Costa
Latina hips.
Rica.
Yes.
Yeah.
She's very pageant. Catriona is very fashion, so.
Yeah.
Vietnam!
Oh.
She's a fan favorite this year because of her hair.
Oh, really?
Yeah. She's the only one who has that, I think. Well, Kenya.
She's really rocking it.
I
like the walk.
She's one of the girls that the Miss USA mentioned that they can't speak English. Fierce! Yes,
Wow.
Vietnam! Glowy.
Very
Everything.
high
My favorite?
South Africa.
I changed
after
my mind.
Catriona.
I like
See,
this.
look at her! How could you not like her? Her body's just like...
Unstigmatized. This 24-year-old recently launched her hashtag Break the Stigma campaign in conjunction
Wow.
with the World
Look at the
Health
body!
Organization.
And she's having fun!
Africa.
No, but can we pause real quick? Catriona's walk during swimsuit. She was just having fun.
Yeah.
She was just like, we'll probably see it here.
It's unbelievable.
She's probably part of the top
Yeah.
10, right?
Yeah,
This person's probably gonna pick it. Look at that.
Wow, beautiful face.
I told you.
Nigeria.
Nigeria.
Model with a degree in history and
I don't
development.
She
like
has
the
a
walk
lot
that
of
much.
a bit too much hips.
A bit too much hips. Like the hips is moving forward.
Is very forward.
Yeah.
36 states in her home
But the
country.
color looks good on her skin.
Yeah,
Look
oh,
at that. Yellow, neon yellow is always good on them.
Mexico.
My favorite too. Another favorite.
As a teen,
Oh, I didn't know she has a
Mexico
baby
wanted to help
face.
her parents out financially.
Yeah.
She actually has a
This
baby
now
face.
20-year-old created and managed a cheerleading squad.
No, nothing can beat Catriona's walk though. I don't like these walks. They're just very perfectionist. Like Catriona was just like walking on the street and having fun. But anyway, she's pretty. She's one of my favorites,
Oh,
right?
nice twirl.
Venezuela.
Oh.
Venezuela is an
They all have amazing bodies.
Venezuela's hair. Where did she get that from?
Oh, look how long it is.
Look at that. Yes. Hey! Oh my god, that was perfect. That was the money shot right there. Oh, India's my favorite too.
Wow, she's flipping.
Oh, she's actually pretty. She might make it to top 10.
This 22-year-old went through a major body transformation last year by making
Oh yeah, I
healthier
heard.
choices.
I heard she was obese or something.
Oh, really?
Or not obese, but like she was overweight.
Overweight?
Yeah. But look at she now.
Damn.
Ecuador, she's my favorite too.
Oh, she has
These
a
are all my favorites.
gorgeous
Developed an
face.
eating disorder. After an aging total, she could model if she lost weight. This 24-year-old soon realized.
I love how they have all
Look at the
hips.
hips also. This
Yeah, I don't like that. The
Yeah,
forward,
it's
the
a bit
forward
too
and front.
much.
It's very
It's a bit
pageant.
too much.
It's very 90s pageant.
And Hathaway.
Yes, my favorite, my favorite. Oh,
Yes.
look at the blue collar on her
I
skin.
love her. Look, Cameron Diaz. She really
Oh,
looks
yeah,
like
that's
Cameron
right.
Diaz.
Look at the blue collar on her skin.
Gorgeous.
And can we just talk about how everybody's tanned?
Yeah, like they're
They're
tan. They're
tan.
not playing.
Pretty.
Ah!
Look at her having fun. Hey!
It's a former martial
You know
artist.
what?
Oh my god.
You know
Black
what?
belt at 12 years old.
Look at her walk.
24. This
Bang,
fashion
bang,
model is
bang,
raised
bang.
fund for various
Look at
charities.
that, fierce, and then she smiles at the end.
Country and abroad. Philippines.
Oh my god, I have high hopes. She's gonna take the crown.
I wanna say what is making the difference between Catriona and the other ones.
What?
I think the main thing I see is that she's so quick in changing from having fun to fierce.
Yeah.
And then she goes back to having fun.
And you don't even notice the switch.
No.
It was just fluid.
It's just a flip of hair and then that's it. She transforms.
Okay, last video.
Ooh.
Let's watch everybody's evening gown.
Okay. Oh, I'm excited for this one.
I'm so... Why am I so gay? Anyway, let's go.
Ecuador.
Oh, Ecuador.
At 19, Ecuador worked 9 hours a day to help pay for her university tuition.
I think the gown is too long, no? Let's
This
see.
24-year-old has walked the runway
No.
in
No, it's
several
probably fine.
countries, including South Africa, India.
It's a
Yes.
beautiful silhouette.
I never like her front and backward hip. That's very 90s.
Puerto Rico.
My favorite.
Let's see.
When
I'm
she
not a
first
huge
started
fan of
to enter her country's
the
pageant,
bottom part
Puerto
of the
Rico
dress.
did
The
her
top is
big runway
gorgeous.
experience.
The top is gorgeous,
25-year-old
but
trained hard and eventually
it's actually
won the
nice, not
award
bad.
Best Catwalk,
I mean, the color
along with her
is nice
crown.
too. It's like sparkly. Look at her. You can see her from afar.
Mm-hmm.
Like she's painting for the backstage people. You know the backstage, the back people who paid $10 only to go to the back.
Oh, the back
Who's
is
that one in the back?
beautiful. Cinderella.
Canada.
Wait,
Canada
Oh,
is
nice.
studying
Cinch.
biomedical enginering and
Almost
technology,
similar to
and
Mexico.
currently
Yeah.
has a
Or was it
3.96
Mexico?
grade point average. This 24-year-old pursued her field
Oh, I
because
forgot
she
how
works
pretty
to
Canada
make
this year
people's
is.
lives
Oh,
Yeah.
look at the
She's taking
runway.
engineering
Wow.
or
That's
bioinformatics.
intimidating.
Yeah.
Canada.
Oh, she did good. She did
She's
very
good.
good.
Vietnam.
Oh,
Bitch.
flowing.
Global
Oh, look at this.
Vietnam.
These details here.
Organization
Oh my god, anything flowy dresses, I live.
This 26-year-old finance major paid for college.
Wow.
Bitch.
As a nanny, serving food and cleaning houses. Vietnam.
Where did the air come from? Did she carry a fan?
She is good, even in a swimsuit. She's very good.
I'm scared now.
Oh, they pick a lot of nude, crystal.
Yeah, I was gonna say, why does everybody have the same color?
But this is a beautiful. Look how it melts. It looks like it's melting.
For all the nude color that we've seen so far, I love her the
This
best.
is probably the best.
Yeah, because you notice she's wearing a sleeve too, eh?
Yeah.
Venezuela.
But Vietnam,
And it's
though.
very transparent, but it covers.
But Vietnam though.
She loves this hair, doesn't she?
Vietnam, I can't stop looking at her. Let's see India.
India is a
Oh, I don't like her
freelance
walk.
fitness
Me
trainer,
neither. Too.
live TV anchor,
Why is it like
and
this?
ambassador to a sports nutrition
Her
brand.
lower back much.
But her
Lost
hair
to ovarian
is
cancer when she was
living.
13.
I
I'm not a fan of the
Making
hair.
permission
My mind is still
to
thinking
spread
about
awareness
Vietnam's dress.
About the disease.
Yeah.
India.
I'm not a fan of the dress. No, I don't like it. Cause this look how far up it goes.
Yeah.
And it's in the middle. It's not even
Yeah.
sideways. It's
Lebanon.
Lebanon.
Lebanon currently works
look at that
in the
lavender.
pharmacy seeking solutions for those in
Oh,
need
it looks
of
like the
affordable
corset is very
medications.
stiff.
This 23-year-old
Yeah,
student
you're
pharmacist
right.
speaks, reads,
I don't
and
like it.
writes
I
four
can.
languages.
Yeah, the bodice.
It's a bit-
here.
Yeah, it's a bit-
Yoga and reading psychology
No,
books.
I'm
Yeah,
not a big fan of
The
it.
bodice and here it moves when you move.
And I don't
know.
like the how she put this one. Look,
the sash.
yeah, it's like in the middle of everything.
Oh, here's the dress. Oh my
Russia.
god.
Is perfectly a princess of Russia.
Oh my god, you're right.
Oh my
This
god.
18-year-old
Bitch.
model's hobbies include skating, aerobics, cooking.
Bitch.
That's beautiful.
I love the neckline and I
Yeah.
love the
It's
stiffness
very
of the dress.
retro, but
Yeah.
so beautiful, so
And I
classy.
love the hair, how it's kind of messy, sort of messy.
and playing badminton.
And I love the blue and silver
Russia.
combination. Oh my gosh. She looks like a
And
royalty.
the furry things, they remind of Russia.
Yup. Oh, I love the
Oh.
neckline.
South Africa.
Yes, my another favorite. Oh wow, bitch.
South
She's
Africa is
gorgeous.
currently studying medicine.
Let it go. Let the dress go. Let it flow by
let
itself.
it go, let it go.
Let it flow by itself.
Who are you? Storm from X-Men? Who do you think
Let
you
it
are?
go. Just swing your
Drop
arm.
it.
South Africa.
She wants to take off.
I guess you're cute or whatever, but
Yeah, no, it's beautiful. Oh, there we go. Leave it. Just leave it, girl.
Yes.
It's good.
oh my gosh, just one of my.
Philippines proudly raised funds to purchase
Let's
and
see.
renovate
Oh,
an old
this
apartment
smile.
building in Manila. This 24-year-old turned
She's
the building
swinging
into the
those
Young
arms,
Focus Child
she's
Care Plus
loving
Center,
Oh, look at her
a school
body.
offering free education
She has the perfect
to
body.
children.
Yeah.
Philippines.
Hey, and that pose, boom.
The final pose is the best thing ever.
That's what everybody remembers.
Oh.
Why is Philippines always last? Does this person always think that Philippines is gonna be the best?
I have to say, maybe the gown was not the best.
Maybe.
Actually, it
But
was not
this
the
is-
best.
This is just preliminary, right? It's different. It's gonna be different during the actual coronation night. I think. I think they wear two different
Oh,
gowns.
wow.
I don't know.
Anyways, it was a beautiful gown. I think out of the 10, it probably was not one of...
Why? Because are you looking for more drama, like Vietnam, and South Africa? What are you looking for? What is it that's
No, when I
missing?
picture a gown, to me, it's closer to what Russia was wearing.
Oh no, there's so many different gowns, honey. There's ball gowns.
I know,
there's-
but the one that she
Russia
was...
is ball gown.
Yeah. So that's what I like.
That's what you like.
Yeah.
I
Because
like-
I want to see like full out. If you
That's
go
what
with
I
a
mean.
gown, go
That's
for
what
it.
I mean. So you like drama.
I guess you can say, put it like
I
that.
guess everybody has their own different types and preferences, but I like Philippines. It showcases her body, but you know what? I'm still thinking about it. Vietnam.
Yeah, that was beautiful.
The color.
The color was so great. Yeah, that was the perfect drama because it was
It's
still long,
drama.
but
I-
it gave some. Yeah.
But I wonder how light is Vietnam's fabric, because every time she moves,
So light.
the fabric is just like this. It's like she carries a fan. Like a friend of her is holding a fan like this, just for the.
Yeah. Oh my god.
But of all the girls, CATRIONA has the best walk, I think.
She does.
We can all tell. We can all see. We can see.
Swimsuit and this, she rocked that walk.
Especially the
Not
swimsuit.
even the walk, is the walk and the face.
Personality
Yeah.
on the runway.
Mm-hmm.
It's like she wasn't nervous. She was having fun.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm so excited for coronation night. And the best part for coronation night is, I think, again, the runway, and I think the question and answer.
Oh my
That's
god.
everyone's
No, I'm-
waiting for.
Oh my god, I started sweating just for that. Because I know, guys, you're gonna ask for that.
Yeah, guys, we're gonna, after the question and answer, we're gonna make a video of us answering the question and answer for the. We're gonna pretend that we're beauty pageants and we're gonna answer the questions.
You have no idea how hard that is.
It's tough.
It honestly, try it. Try it yourself.
It's tough. They only
It-
get 30 seconds.
It's very hard.
Oh my god.
Way harder than you think.
Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We really certainly did. I'm gonna sit on this bed now and watch the whole preliminary 2 hours.
Oh, wow.
Do I have time for that? Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you all next time. Bye!
Bye.